this video, I'm going to do a general overview of our CNC machine. First, we'll look at the head of the machine. On the back side, we have these plastic air nozzles. These blow directly where the router bit is cutting, which causes all the dust to be blown up in the dust hood, resulting in a cleaner part and a cleaner cut. This is the router head. It performs all of the routing processes, including cutting each individual part out and dados. The head grabs onto these collets that are holding whatever router bit you need for the job. Moving back, this is the drill block. This exclusively performs vertical drill processes. Any partial or through holes you need, this block can do it. It can hold many different drill bits at once with ranging sizes and diameter. While we're here, this beam back here is the pusher. Once a program is completed, this drops down and pushes all of the parts off the cutting area and onto the conveyor belt. Just below, you can see the track that the bulk of the machine rides on. This is the transfer station for the router bits. This is where the router head picks up and drops off bits that you can swap out. Over here is the lift table. This is where all of the material for one order is loaded up. It lifts the sheets up so that the machine can grab them and pull them up to the cutting area. Behind the machine we have the vacuum pump. This applies suction to the cutting area so that when it's cutting parts out, they don't shift around. This is the spoil board. If you look closely, you can see the cuts that the machine has already made. The idea is that a sheet gets pulled up onto the spoil board and the CNC cuts through that top sheet, cutting slightly into the spoil board. This makes it so that your cuts are clean on the bottom. Underneath, you can see where the vacuum sucks through. It sucks through these holes, sucking through the spoil board, keeping that top panel from moving around. To the left, we have the router bit tool changing disc. Depending on what size bits the program needs, as long as we have a bit for it, it will automatically grab the bit that it needs and perform the required processes. Coming back to the front of the machine, we have the labeling area. This is where the parts are pushed out so that they can be blown off, labeled, and organized onto a cart for processing.